Here is a traditional mall that is located in the Naqsh-e Jahan Square, and you can buy small souvenirs from these chambers, which include various foods, handicrafts, copper, carpets, and etc. To buy souvenirs, you can also visit the small Grand Bazaar, which is located to this square, in the middle of this square.
خوشگله نه بابا باشه عجله نه همه رو تابوندم نگاه کن چون بامزه شدم همه اینا رو تابوندم نگاه چه خوشگلم خب بخواه بپرس بگو چند
Square Naqsh-e Jahan, and the Square Naqsh-e Jahan, scrolling in it is really enjoyable because each part of it is a historical monument. The landscape of this square has its own beauty at every hour of the day, even in the night when it is dark. It is light because there are many beautiful light bulbs here, and it has made it really beautiful. The chambers located around the square, in addition to being an important shopping center in Isfahan, also have a beautiful appearance and are considered historical monuments due to the age of the buildings. Here is Square Naqsh-e Jahan. Square Naqsh-e Jahan is located in the center of Isfahan, one of the cities of Iran. And strolling around Naqsh-e Jahan Square in Isfahan is really enjoyable because each part of it is a historical monument. No matter when you come to Isfahan, you should come here and enjoy exploring around here. Whenever you come here in نه موظف همه از گوشه بیاد برگشتنه بیا. همه از این گوشه. آره دارم میگیرم.
آره چه باحال. قیمتش چند ساله است هستی؟ بذار ببین قیمتش چند ساله است. فرار میکنه. برا خسته نباشی. آره گیوا خیلی خوشگل بودن نه؟ خیلی
Here is the top of Naqsh-e Jahan Square, and as you see it has a really old architecture, and it is related to 400 years ago, and you can see how the architecture of here is skillfully and wonderfully made by Iranian architectures. That can make your trip memorable. From here you can see how skillfully the building of this square was built by Iranian architectures. Among the souvenirs from Isfahan, we can mention turquoise animal work, which is the most famous souvenir in Isfahan.
مردم اسمش کنم من اصلا خیلی هنرمندن و اصلا یه چیزی دیگه تو اخوی سرهم